Got my Pro Moto out. About to bash her up at my normal bash spot, even though they put manure out here again, but that's okay. Got enough room to run out there. I'm gonna do some off-road, on-road. It's my second drive. The car is, I keep saying car. The bike is awesome so far. I ordered another jersey. Yeah, his jersey is done. Like, zipper was broke. His helmet is messed up, but I painted that in. Messed up the back. This is all from the first run. Tires holding out pretty good. But what I might do with this, I might make this white. Make it white. I seen it online. I could get it. It's just like Earl Moorhead's. I want to. I like that look. Then I'm gonna have a black and white body. But today I'm running it on the HRB 6000 milliamps, 50C battery. I'm gonna run it on that today because I want to get some a little faster, a little more push to it. But let's get into it. Yeah. A little more challenging one-handed. Sorry. My bad. I put it in the second mode. Oh. I want to see, can it handle the grass? Oh. Now she handled the grass pretty good. Thing is, you just gotta watch turns, make sure you got enough turning radius. Yeah. Oh yeah, this thing is the truth right here. Oh. See, that's why I wanted to get used to it first. I'm sort of used to it, still getting used to it. So I could bring it up here because, you know, this is real uneven. And she's stuck. You have to switch the modes. I'm getting a lot of resistance from that mode I had it in. Yeah, I forgot this don't got no reverse. So used to cars all the time. Oh, ah. Yo, this thing is nice. Nice little jumper too. Just gotta be careful. Handle grab's pretty good. I mean, it should. It's a dirt bike. I think the battery died on me. All right, let me change that battery out. Be right back. Oh yeah. Changed out that battery. Whoa, push through it, come on. Yeah, this is wheelie mode, that's why it's pushing so strong. Yeah, this thing is pretty good, nice and powerful. Only thing I probably do to this, I probably make it 3S, maybe. At the most. Don't really need too much power. I don't know if I'm gonna try to beat it. I'm not a speed guy anyway. So I probably wouldn't be trying to have the fastest pro moto out there. Y'all know I had to go over here. As long as it don't stop down there, I'm good. Yeah, I better leave that one alone right there. This is it takes some getting used to, but it's really not hard. Gotta get used to the turning. And you gotta keep it straight before you gas it because it kind of wobbles when you don't. This thing is nice though. As long as you don't do stupid stuff like jumping it with it, you know, you'll be all right. Trying to get that turning down. Get it. Yeah, this thing handled grass like it ain't nothing. Suspension is pretty good on here. I was wondering about the suspension. It's not bad at all. It's that Losi stuff though, so you know how that works. Losi really do their homework. See how if you try to gas it while turning, it always goes out of control. I want to mess with this grass again. Oh yeah, this thing is nice. Takes some getting used to, like I said, but not much. Trying to kill this battery pack, then I'm gonna call it a day. Yo! Who says the Promoto can't jump? Still on her feet too. Oh! Just wanted to get her out here and bash her again. Let y'all check it out. Let me check it out. This thing is awesome. Definitely grab your Promoto for sure. I'd like to give a shout out to RC Discount Superstore, Adam, Mark, and Hector. You know, because them guys got the bikes too, and my homie Chris, he got the bike, but he got some trail parts on it. Make that thing look lovely. I gotta bring him out here to bash, but he gotta get a little dirty. That's the only thing. But as always, I hope you enjoyed that video. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.